On this story, I don't want to offend anyone, but if the shoe fits. So I walk up to the front door. I can already tell this is going to be a fun day. 10 minutes later.
Finally, come on in.
So I start getting to work, and the customer's giving a lot of advice.
You know, I don't know if it's supposed to be like that. I'm looking on YouTube and it doesn't look anything like that. You know, maybe if you do it like this. You know, I got some tools you could use. You know what? I got this part. Can you go get that?
When the work is finished, we discuss payment.
All right. So I got like 40 bucks cash. Can I just do that now and then send you guys like 40 bucks a month? 40 bucks a month?
40 bucks a month?
The moral of the story is, don't be that guy. And if you want financing, let us know in advance so we can set it up. And how's that for Tales from a Plumber?